Hello student, chapter 11 mensuration. In that today we solve exercise 11.4. Look, in that first question is there. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which means here three situations are given in which you need the surface area and in which you need volume. Okay, in that A first, to find how much it can hold. How much it can hold. So here we need volume. Just write down V here, means volume. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. Plaster. We plastering that on its surface. So we need surface area. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled. Tanks filled here. So we need volume here. Okay. So write down that one in your notebook. Now question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 cm and height is 14 cm, and diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm, height is 7 cm. Without doing calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it finding volume of both cylinder. Check which cylinder has more greater volume and surface area. Means you just find out volume and surface area for both one and then compare them, whose volume is greater and whose surface is greater. Okay, so let me start. Look here, I already drew a diagram here. Okay, A and B, two cylinders are there. Just compare the volume of both one and also compare surface area. So we find out both one for A and B. So first, for cylinder A, okay, here what is given? Here height h is given 14 centimeter and diameter d is given. Here the diameter 7 centimeter and we need radius for that one. So radius d by 2 means 7 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, now we find out surface area. Okay, surface means total surface. So surface area of cylinder equal to, that is 2 pi RH. Okay, now let me find out 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. Okay, so 2 into pi equal to 22 divided by 7 into r equal to 7 upon 2, it's here, into bracket h equal to 14 plus that is 7 upon 2 r. Here 2 cut, 7 cut, that is 22 and into, look here, we take LCM, that is 2. Now 1 2s are and 2 1s are, 14 2s are 28 plus 7 1s are 7 equal to 22 into 35 upon 2. So 2 11s are 11 into 35, that is 385 centimeter square. That is surface area. Now we find out volume of that cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder A, same here, cylinder A is that is pi r square h equal to pi is 22 divided by 7 into h r square means 2 times r, that is 7 upon 2 and 7 upon 2 2 times, and h equal to 14. Look, 7 cut, 2 11s are and here 2 7s are, so 7 49 into 11, 49 and 11, that is 9 3 and 5, 539 centimeter cube. Okay, now for cylinder B, look, what is the height? That is 7. Okay, so h equal to 7 centimeter and diameter is 14 centimeter. Okay, that means radius equal to d by 2 means 14 upon 2 equal to 7 centimeter. 7 2s are. Okay, so here height is also 7 and radius is also 7. Now let me find out surface area. Surface area of cylinder B equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 7 cut, that is 44 into 7 and 7 14. Multiply them, 44 and 14 176 0 4 4. 6 1 and 6 616 centimeter square. Okay, and volume of cylinder B, that is pi r square h equal to 22 divided by 7 pi r square 2 times r 7 into 7 into h equal also 7 7 7 cut. So 22 into 49, the 49 into 22 9 0 8 9 8. So 1078 centimeter cube. Okay, now compare them. Whose surface area is more? So look, surface area and volume both are the cylinder of B is greater. Okay, so surface area and volume both are of cylinder B is greater than cylinder A. Clear? Now, third question. Look here. Find the height of cuboid whose base area is 180 and volume is 900. Okay. So, in that base area is given. Base area equal to 180 centimeter square. And what is given? Cuboid. Base area of cuboid. Cuboid means area A is given. L into B is given. Okay. A. And also what is given? Volume is given. Volume of cuboid equal to 900 centimeter square. And you have to find out height. H is. Okay. So we know that when area is given, that time you just use V equal to A into H formula. Okay. A means that is L into B. Right. So volume is given 900 equal to A is given 180 into H. Change the side of 180. So height equal to 900 divided by 180. 0 0 cut. Okay. And 18 5. Okay. So H equal to 5 centimeter. So height of that cuboid equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? So easy. Now next, fourth one. A cuboid in a dimension 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 30 centimeter. How many small cubes will be inside 6 centimeter placed? Okay. So here look, dimension of cuboid equal to 80 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. Okay, that is L into B into H, means L length is 80, breadth is 54 and height is 30. Okay, and here side of, okay, cube equal to 6 centimeter. So volume of cube equal to L cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. Okay. Now we want to arrange the cubes in this cuboid. Okay. So directly I already teach you that how to find out that one. Number of cube arranged equal to volume of cuboid in which you want to arrange, and volume of cube what you want to arrange. Okay, that is L into B into H, and here L cube, and measurements are 80, 54 and 30 divided by 6, 6, 6, 3. Okay, so 6, sorry, the length here 60 is there, huh? 60. So 10s are now 9s are, and here 5s are. 9 5s are 45 into 10, that is 450. Okay, 450 cubes. That means we arrange 450 cube in that given cuboid. Okay, next one, number 6. Number 5. Find the height of cylinder whose volume is 1.5 meter cube and diameter is 140. Okay, so what is given here? Volume is given. Volume of cylinder is 1.54 meter cube, and base, diameter of base means D equal to 140 centimeter given. Okay, D is given, so just find out R. Radius equal to D by 2 means 140 upon 2 equal to 70 centimeter. Okay, now we want to find out height. Here look, volume is given in meter and radius is given in centimeter. So what to do? We need both in same unit, so convert meter into centimeter. So what to do? 154 divided by 100. 1.54 means fraction of that one is divided by 100 into, to convert meter to centimeter, multiply with 100, and here 3 times, cube means 3 times is there, so 3 times 00 means 10 lakh centimeter cube. 20 cut, so that is 154 and 4 zeros are there, centimeter cube. Okay, now same here, volume of cylinder equal to area into height. Okay, use this formula and find out A equal to pi r square. Okay, otherwise directly use V equal to pi r square H formula. Okay, volume is given, that is 1540000 equal to pi equal to 22 divided by 7, r equal to 70, and 2 times square is there, so 2 times into H. Okay, now change the side of all that one. 1540000. 7 is division form. Okay, it means division side. Here it's come at numerator side. Okay, and here 22 into 70 into 70, that is H. 1010 cut, 1010 cut, 77 cut, and 7 2s are and 2s are 00. 2200. 2200 divided by 22, that is 100. So H equal to 100 centimeter. So height of that cylinder is 100 centimeter. Okay, next one, number 6. Look, a milk tank is in a form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find quantity of milk in liter. Okay, means you just find out quantity in liter. What is given here? Here radius is given, r equal to 1.5 meter, and length means height of that one is given 7 meter. Okay, length of cylinder, that means height of cylinder, it's same. So to find out quantity, you must have to find volume. So volume of tank equal to pi r square H equal to, now look, I equal to 1.5 meter means 15 upon 10 meter in fraction form. Pi equal to that is 22 divided by 7 into 15 upon 10 2 times because r square is there into h equal to 7 meter. It's 7. 7 7 cut. Okay. Now here 15 15 225 into 22 multiply. Okay. 5 2s are 10. Here 1 2 2s are 4 and 1 5 and 2 2s are 4. Same 0 then 0 5 4. So 0 5 9 4. Your answer is 4950 divided by 10 into 10 100. 1 0 cut and decimal of that one is 495.45 meter cube. Okay. Now convert into liter. So we know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So 49.5 equal to cross multiply. So 49.5 means 495 divided by 10 into 1000. 1010 cut. So that is 49 5 and 2 zeros liters. Okay. That means 49,500 liter. Clear? Okay. Now number 7. If each edge of cube is double, okay, then find out how many times the surface area increase, how many times volume is increase. Okay. What is given? One cube is there, 7 number. Okay. Suppose this type of cube is there and length of that one is suppose L. Okay. And it should be double now, like that, and length is double. Okay. So then find out increasing of surface area and okay. So first write down original surface area equal to, here L is there and for that one we know that surface area of cylinder cube is, that is 6 times L, 6L, L square. Okay. And second one is volume of cube equal to L cube. Okay. Now it's change and should be double. Now find out that one. So new surface area of cube, that is, look, when it's L, that is 6L square. Now new one is there. So 6 at the place of L, that is double. So 2L square. So write down 6 into 2L whole square means 2 square and L square. So 6 into 2 square is 4 and L square. Okay. So compare that one with this one, that is 4 into 6L square means 4 times into original surface area. Okay. Means surface area is 4 times more. Same for volume. New volume of cube, that is L cube, means at the place of L you just write down 2L. Okay. That means 2 cube and L cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. L cube means 3 times. That is 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 L cube. So compare with original one, that is L cube, and here 8 L cubes means that is area. Okay. So surface area is 4 times more and volume is 8 times more when length is double. Okay. And last sum is water pouring into the cuboidal reservoir at the rate. Reservoir means one type of tank. Okay. Like that. Means that is in a shape of cuboid. Okay. And water pouring in that one. Okay. like that. And what is the rate of that one? That is water pouring rate is 60 liter per minute. Okay, and here volume of that one is given. Volume of reservoir equal to 108 meter cube. Okay, then in how much time the reservoir full, means it's full with water. Okay, that means we need volume, it's already given, but we need volume into liter form. Okay, and here the water pouring rate is given. Okay, so what to do? First convert volume which is given in meter cube into liter. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter, we need know that. Okay, so 108 meter cube equal to how much? Cross multiplication, that is 108 into 1000 equal to 108,000 liter. Okay, that means to fill that reservoir with water we need 108,000 liter water. Okay, so now water pouring rate. So look, to fill 60 liter water, okay, time taken is 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute means in 1 minute we need we fill 60 liter water. Okay, so to fill 108,000, how much time is taken? Cross multiplication. So 108,000 into 1 divided by 60. 1010 cut. Okay, so 108,000 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, that is 4. 8 6 are 48,00 and 2 zeros are there. That is 1800 and it's given in minute. Okay, so that 1 minute. When time is more than 60, minutes are more than 60, that time what to do? Convert into hour. And to convert into hour, what to do? 180 divided by 60, divided by 60 to convert into hour. Okay, 00 cut, 6 3s are and 0, that is 30 hours. That means in 30 hours we fill that reservoir with water. Okay, so here our exercise 11.4 is complete and our 11th chapter is also completed. Just complete that exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you.